Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I want to transform my husband to iron lady. I want to see how he will look on it. See, after transforming my husband, oh my god, me again will be surprised, but I don't know how it's going to look, but I want to see. Guys, let's do this together and let's see how Hubby is going to look on this transformation. Yes, and let's move on. My foundation is supposed to put first. Guys, I have started. See Hubby, I want to transform Hubby with my powder. Let's see how it's going to look on it, on this transformation. I'm supposed to wear you with first now.
We pause it first. Dollars help is laughing.
Stop eating it.
If you have to be a person that know how to make up, this thing will fine.
What do you think? I should make up fire. Let me make up first. I'm confused. So guys, I've started looking up Hubby. As I was looking for that foundation, I didn't see it.
How are you eating me now? Huh? Why?
Mama.
No one see you. Let them see you too. Yeah. Look my daughter. Oh yeah?
Is the makeup showing? But the one checking it. Is the
It's
makeup?
okay, it's coming out. Oh yeah? He's mad now.
I need that foundation.
Tola will pull this thing down. Come to the back. Come to the back. Oh yeah? Climb here. Oh yeah, we're doing your own. My baby. My baby. What are you pressing?
Don't remove that guy, no. That is a girl. Yes. Yes. I said so. Yeah. 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 Leave there. So I'm going to use my close your eyes. Close your eyes. Guys, are you seeing me? You live there and stop disturbing me. I'm busy. Close your eyes. So you can open your eye now. Let's see open it. No, free your mouth. Like. It's okay. It's okay. Don't scatter it. Okay. So I'm applying the paint on the leaves. This one is small. You want to make up too? Want your mommy to transform you? Okay, now guys, I want to wear wig for Hubby. Guys, see the wig? Yes, okay. See the wig. Even color is running. This one. Guys, I have to stand up now. So guys, I have to come around to comb this.
Tola, how am I looking like? Tola, see your daddy. How am I looking like?
Classy daddy. Classy daddy. Daddy is a girl. I don't want to make up too. Classy daddy is a girl. Hey, daddy is a girl. Classy your daddy. Is the daddy fine?
Yes.
Okay, I have to pin it. I'll also pin it.
Yes. Hey, see beautiful lady. I can't believe this. Oh, you are lucky too.
Tola is surprised. Say, daddy. Tola is dancing.
Tola, see your daddy.
Wow, this is interesting. Oh, we are looking there, are looking great.
Look.
Hey, I'm looking sweet. Very sweet, baby. This is giving. Oh my God. This is giving.
Mama.